everybody, this is Crystal with CrystalsDiversiCreations again. So I'm going to do a LED sublimation ornament. I'm going to use this 2.75 image. The image is sublimated on HTV sublimation paper. And I have the ornament and it comes with the LED light. So I'm going to go ahead. I am using a sheet of packing paper that I get from U-Haul. I've shared it with you all before, and I use this when I'm sublimating to protect the press. And what I'm going to do is take the film off of this. With this one, you don't mirror the image. You leave the image straight up like this. So I'm going to go ahead, take this off, get the film off, and then tape it to this, and I'll show you once I do. So on the side where you're going to peel the blue off, that is actually the side that your image is going to press to, okay? And it will show through on the other side, but there's clear film on that side as well, so you need to take that off too. So here's the clear that is on the front, but you'll be sublimating on the back on that white. So just remember that the image is going to be facing up, and then you will place this on top. And when it's sublimated, it will just shine through. So you can just place it like this, tape it down, and then flip it over, okay? So this is how I'm pressing it. I have it laid on here, and I make sure that all of the circle ornament is inside of the image so that I know that I'm gonna get full coverage. Then I will place it over like that so that my pressing is gonna happen from here. So when I put the press down, it'll be like that, and then I'm going to sandwich it with the other piece of paper, just folding it over, put it in the center. I'm pressing on 400 for 60 seconds. Okay, make sure you have a heat glove or something protective because it is going to be hot. I'm going to flip it first like that. And you can see how vibrant that is. It's actually looking like fire. So this is what the back of the design looks like where we pressed. And this is what the front looks like. It's really a nice, clean press that you get. I'm gonna let it cool a second and then I'll show you what it looks like with the light on it. Okay, so probably it's not as hot to touch it. Let me take this off. So basically, this here has the light in it, right? And you're just going to make certain that it's seated on there all the way. And then that's your light. And you can kind of flick through. So when it's hanging, it's just a LED illuminated, and it will flick through all the colors if you want it like that. Or you can just put it to a flash, or just all the one color. This looks like it's fading. So it's pretty cool. These are a hot item right now. So consider doing some of these. I'll put the link in. They're from Amazon. And I'll show you what the finished product looks like with the string and everything. A red ribbon is included. So this is the finished ornament. And it's on the green light, but it goes to other colors as well. You can just push the button and make it other colors, and you can let it run through, sort of like how any other LED light goes. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.